Hi guys, once again you're welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Last video I made, I discussed about what you shouldn't add to your black soap. So today I'll be discussing about what you should add to your black soap to make it effective. What are the things that are compulsory that you have to add to your black soap? If this is your first time coming across my channel, please like and subscribe. Also turn on your notification button to get notification when I upload a new video. Thank you very much, and for my old subscribers, I love you guys. You're doing well. Love you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're going to be talking about what you should add to your black soap. Number one thing you're supposed to add to your black soap, it is so compulsory. I don't know why you're going to do a black soap without adding it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about black soap. Like, how can you have a black soap without adding a black soap? I don't understand. You have to add a black soap to your black soap. There's no reason why you call it a black soap if it doesn't contain a black. It is the base of what you're doing. It's the base. You're adding every other thing into your black. So why won't the black soap be present? Another thing that is very good for you to add into your black soap is shea butter. It is very good to add shea butter into your black soap. The raw organic shea butter. It moisturizes you. It moisturizes your skin. So you add shea butter instead of adding glycerin. If you want to add glycerin, a little will go a long way. Just a bit of it is okay, but it is not compulsory. If you don't want to add glycerin, you could add your shea butter. You can add both, but make sure the glycerin is of very little quantity. So you add shea butter to heat. Shea butter moisturizes your skin and it glows your skin. You will love it if it is in your black soap. Some people will be wondering, how can you add shea butter into your black soap? Yes, so you can add shea butter into your black soap. That is what you're hearing from me right now. You can add it to your black soap. It will go a long way. So another thing you can add to your black soap is rice powder. I love adding rice powder to my black soap. You can also add oat powder to your black soap, but I love adding rice powder, particularly because rice powder exfoliates your body. Although oat powder also exfoliates too, but I prefer rice powder to oat powder because it is made of lactic acid. It is very good for your skin. Rice powder is very important. You add rice powder. If you can buy, you buy from the organic store. If you can't, you can just go to the market and blend raw rice. Blend it into powdery form and add it. If you add it, it is very, very good. It exfoliates your body. You love your skin when you add rice powder into it. Another thing you can add into your black soap is brown licorice powder. Brown licorice powder is a very good lightening powder. It helps to calm down any swelling you have on your skin. So brown licorice is very good. You should try it. So add brown licorice, that is licorice root. Add it to your black soap and you love it. So another thing you can add into your black soap, which will make your black soap very, very effective, is adding other soaps to your black soap. What I mean by adding other soap is, I mean bar soap. You can grate bar soaps. You can grate ozone soaps. This helps in aiding the lightening effect of your soap. So if you have any bar soap that you've used previously, that you've used before, that you see that is very good, it didn't give you any reaction, it didn't give you any issues, you can also add it to your black soap. A lot of times when I make black soap for myself, I add bar soaps that I've already used. Maybe I have leftover of bar soaps at home. I just grate it and add it to my black soap.